Hot new products. These are brake master cylinder spacers for your classic pickup trucks. These are for C10 trucks and these are F100 trucks. Why do we make these? So when you want to do manual brakes and you want to use a Wilwood compact tandem master cylinder, you can use these to get them in the right spot. This one, for instance, is my favorite. These are for square body trucks, 73 to 87. So if you have the factory reinforcement panel on the outside of the firewall, you'll have to push your master cylinder out just a little bit to clear that. So that's what this spacer is, and it comes with all the hardware. Again, manual brakes only. 67 to 72 C10, this is more of a finishing plate. So if you took your brake booster off and your paint's a little jacked up behind it, put this on there and it makes it look nice and professional. F100 guys, you really need this one. Without this spacer, it won't clear stuff, reinforcement stuff in the firewall, and your push rod will be way too short. So this is for F100 trucks. Check these out on the website now. If you need help sizing what bore size to use with your master cylinder, let us know. We keep brake master cylinders in stock from Wilwood. Thanks a lot, everybody.